Now, similar to the push, let us write two more functions, pop as well as display. Function declaration is done. I am calling the functions pop, semicolon, display. All the three functions are called. Now we have to define the functions. Void pop start. Now if pop, we are going to check for underflow. Underflow means if pop is less than 0, because the starting value is 0, if it is less than 0, we are going to indicate stack underflow or empty. Stack is empty. Else printf the element removed is percentage %d. Let us display the element that we are removing, s of top, semicolon, enter, top minus minus, decrement the stack because we are deleting one. I want to display all the elements. Void display as we have to display all the elements. I am taking one variable int I for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to top. Don't take maximum because maximum all the values you may enter, you may not enter. But top indicates the maximum values that you entered. We don't want the values that you didn't enter, right? So no need to take max. Printf s of percentage %d equal to percentage %d slash n new line. First percentage %d indicates I, second one indicates s of I, semicolon, enter. Close of display. This should be the close of, yeah, pop. Okay, we have defined pop as well as display in this particular program. Now when you call push, pop and display randomly, all the three operations are performed, right? But I want to perform these operations with respect to my choice. So here I am going to take one more option, that is choice int choice equal. Initially you can take 0, or otherwise you can just simply declare choice, no problem, right? Here you can see I have given a printf statement to give your choice. 1 means push, 2 means pop, 3 means display, and a scanf statement to read your choice, and this choice is placed inside the switch. Now we are going to write switch case. If it is 1, what is the operation that we have to perform? Push. So I am calling the function push here, right? Once it is done, you have to break. Now similar to case 1, we have to perform two more cases, that is case 2 is pop. The function that I have to perform is pop. Case 3, the function that I have to perform is display. Right? As we are doing these performs functions, in which case we are not going to give again in the main program. And don't forget, always for switch case you have to give default also. Case default printf invalid choice. Okay, done. Now let's execute the program. Run. I think I have made a mistake in case printf default. It's not case default, it is just default. Yes, I got my option. I have to choose one. I'm choosing one. If you see the way it is asking is not looking good, let us change that. Enter the element. Okay, I'm entering 1. That's it. It executed and ended the loop. But if I want to execute these operations more than once, I have to place these operations inside the loop, right? So let us place them inside the loop do, and this do should be placed above the choice, because from choice it should continue the execution, right? That's why it should start above the choice do, and this should end up to the switch case end, right? When you have to perform these operations, what is the condition that you are taking? While, let us take one more variable, char c. Here while c is equal to single quotes yes, it should continue, otherwise it should exit the loop. And to ask that, we have to place one more printf and scanf statement. To choose whether you want to continue or not, you have to place one more printf and scanf statement inside. Yeah, do loop. Enter your choice, yes or no. Now I have to write scanf also. For scanf, please write flush stdin standard inputs semicolon enter scanf percentage d, sorry, this character, right? Percentage c ampersand c. The variable that I am taking is c. Let's run the program. Yes, yeah. I forgot to change this again. Let us change it. 12. No, I didn't ask. Let's see what's the problem with it. First, let's change this. Slash, no, slash n. Enter your choice. Let us place this at last. Enter your choice. Now do scan it. Let us make this as percentage yes. Enter your choice 1. Push. Enter the element. I'm going to enter 1. No, that's not. Let's check it. Just now, as you have seen, when we are entering the values, we didn't get the next option, yes, no, right? Push operation I'm doing 12. I'm not getting the output, right? It should continue, but it's not continuing. Suppose if I'm giving the other options too, yeah, it's asking me whether you want to continue or not. Yes. Enter your choice. Display I'm giving. If you want to continue, yes. See, other than push, pop and display are working one. Nice. But if I am choosing the push operation, the program is not asking whether you want to continue your choice or not, right? So there is a problem with the push function. When we go for the push function, here you can see I given percentage %d scanf statement and give ampersand, right? That's the main problem. If you run, enter your choice 1, enter. Enter the element. I'm going to enter 15. Enter. You want to continue? Yes. Enter your choice 1. I want to enter 16. I want to continue? Yes. I want to add one more element 17. Want to continue? Yes. Let's display the values that are present. See, you got 15, 16, 17 as well as an extra element 0. That means in pop, the maximum value that I have taken limit is exceeded, right? So here what I should do, I should not get to the next level, right? It's starting from 15, 16, 17, that's good. But as of 3 also it is displaying. In display, I have to check, it should not be I less than or equal to top, it should be I less than top. Now if I execute the program, let's close this. No, I don't want to continue. 1, enter the element 12. Yes, I want to continue. Push operation, enter the element 13. Yes, I want to continue. Push operation, I want to enter 14. Yes, let's display the values 12, 13, 14. Right? You got your values 12, 13, 14 from the next step. So when you are choosing the limits, you have to be very careful. Now let us check the pop operation also. Same one. First I have to enter the values 12. Yes. 1, 13. Yes. 1. Push operation. 14 value I am giving. Want to continue? Yes. Now let me display the values that I am having. I got the values displayed. You want to continue? Yes. I want to perform the pop operation. You can see the element removed 0. It should not be 0, right? We have to remove S of 2, not 0. That means at pop I have done some mistake. Let us go back there and check the pop. If top is less than 0, under flow it has to indicate printf the element removed. Here you can see in insert, after reading the values we are incrementing. Once we are incrementing, it is going to the next position and waiting for giving the value, next value that is being given. So when you are giving top plus plus here and coming to pop operation, it is by default going to the next empty space. The top is indicating the next empty space. So here you can't take top because it is indicating the next empty place. So top minus minus, you can do this so that it will indicate the current location. Now let's execute it. Enter choice 1, element 12, yes, continue. 1, 13, yes. 1, enter 14, yes. Display the values 12, 13, 14. Want to continue? Yes. Pop operation I want to perform? Yes. The element removed is 14. Enter your choice. Yes, I want to continue and I want to display all the values. You can see I'm getting only 12 and 13. But if you see here, it's not looking good. So let's place a new line here. Right. Now this is about push, pop as well as display operations in your stack. You can also add one more, that is peak. Peak is nothing but you are going to view the topmost element that is present. Right? Peak. Let us add one more here. case for break, right? Function declared, function called. Here I have to give the option, right? For new line, I have to define my function peak. Void empty. Sorry, there should not be any semicolon braces. Here, just you have to write a printf statement of stack pointer s of percentage d equal to percentage d slash n. First one indicates the top, comma, s of top, the topmost value. Now let's see the execution. See, once I have given the fourth option also added, I'm getting peak also. Let us first add the values 12. Yes, I'm adding one more value for our clarity. 13. You want to continue? Yes. If I'm giving display, I'm getting both the values. You want to continue? Yes. Now I'm going to give peak. See, it is going for the next one, because when you are doing the push operation, here you have clearly mentioned to increment the top after displaying it or after reading, to increment. So by default it is going for the next value. So when you are viewing the top most element, what you have to do, top minus 1, or otherwise simplify it. Let us simplify this, make it as top minus minus. It will decrement. I think I didn't close. Enter choice 1, 12. Yes, I want to continue. I'm adding one more element. Yes, I want to continue. 3 display, 12, 13 I got. You want to continue? Yes. P. Right? Last element I'm getting is. Want to continue? Yes. Now again, if I want to display, I'm getting only one value. What's the reason why I'm getting one? Because we are decrementing this. So you can't do the decrement operation like you are doing in pop operation here. Here you have to take top minus 1 only. Okay. For displaying, you have to take top minus 1 only. 12. Yes. Push. 13. Yes. Now I want to display the elements. Yeah, I got the elements. Y. Now peak. Still I am getting only 13. I should not get 13. Right? I don't want to continue. I have to get both the values because I am doing a form operation. Yes. The topmost is, yes, we got the answer, right? And once again, if we do the display, push, enter the element 12. Yes. Push, enter the element 13. Yes. Now display. Yes. We got the 12 and 13. Peak operation 13 only. The latest value it is going to display, right? Now I am going for display all the elements. Yes. Here we got all the elements. Unlike in the previous case where we got only for display one value, here we are getting all the values, right? We want to continue. Let us do one pop operation also. To the latest element it is removed. Yes, I want to continue. Display the elements, remaining elements. I got only one, right? If you do the peak operation, then you are going to get only one element that is left out, right? I don't want to continue. Exit. This is how a stack will work. Okay. Hope you understood. Taking the limits are very important, whether you are starting from 0 or you're taking 5 for the maximum. Here, setting the limits for top greater than or equal to max. a top less than 0. These values considerations are very important when you are taking top is 0.